Welcome back, creators! We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, two telescoping ladder brands will be going head-to-head. We have the Yvan Telescoping Ladder and the Ohuhu Telescoping Ladder. Unless you're really tall and can reach almost anything by standing on your toes and stretching, you need a good ladder to do some things around the house. But if you have no room for a full-size ladder, then the best telescopic ladders can help you reach new heights without taking up valuable storage space. In today's brand wars, we have pitted two of the most highly reviewed telescopic ladders in the market, the Yvan Telescoping Ladder and the Ohuhu Telescoping Ladder, which have both gained a 5-badge rating from our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com. Without further ado, let's get straight into business. If you're interested in the other telescoping ladders we reviewed, do check out our telescoping ladder review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these telescoping ladders will be going toe-to-toe with would be their material. One of the most important considerations to make when purchasing a ladder is its durability. In the end, you don't want to put your life in danger. When it comes to ladders, having a well-made one that you can trust is well worth the investment. Boosting high-quality materials, Yvan's telescoping extension ladder is crafted from premium aluminum alloy with an oxidized surface to prolong its life. The plastic parts are also reinforced with nylon fiber to improve load capacity, stability, aging resistance, and extend service life. In many ways, the Ohuhu Telescoping Ladder is the exact same product as the Yvan Telescoping Ladder. It too is made with high-quality aluminum alloy, which makes the ladder rust-proof and durable. Their similarity in materials puts them neck and neck in the first round. However, both of them are also proven durable and stable, so they both get a point in this category. The second category that these telescoping ladders will be going toe-to-toe with would be their load capacity. As you already know, a ladder is meant to support a person's weight as well as the items they're carrying. The weight-holding capacity of a ladder is determined by its working purpose, but we can all agree that a higher capacity ladder would be more desirable regardless of whether you use it for light or heavy-duty tasks. The Yvan Telescoping Ladder, with its premium materials mentioned in the first round, can withstand a maximum load of 330 pounds, perfect for both commercial contractors and do-it-yourself enthusiasts. On the other hand, the Ohuhu Telescoping Ladder is designed to carry a maximum of 250 pounds. It's as strong as it's portable. The rungs are strong enough to handle any type of body build. It's the perfect tool to help you clean the rooftops, reach the gutter, change the light bulbs, and clean the office windows. Needless to say, Yvan offers more capacity than Ohuhu, which puts Yvan on top of this category. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their portability. Portability ranks among the most significant advantages of a telescopic ladder. Since they collapse into such a tiny package, these ladders are very convenient for storage and transportation. Both the Yvan and Ohuhu Telescoping Ladders save room by collapsing to a compact 33.5 inches when not in use. This means that they may be stored under the bed, behind the door, or even behind the cupboard. They also include a heavy-duty carrying strap to keep the ladder closed in tight spaces like the shed, garage, or even the trunk of the vehicle. While they may be similar in a lot of aspects when it comes to portability, we would like to point out that Yvan is easier to carry around with its weight of just 24.6 pounds as compared to Ohuhu's 25.3 pounds. Given the narrow weight disparity between Yvan and Ohuhu, we must still acknowledge that Yvan is lighter and more portable. Therefore, Yvan snatches the point again in this round. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their maximum height. Telescopic ladders can reach varying heights, so it's crucial to consider the maximum extendable height when shopping for one. If you're a homeowner, you can choose a ladder with lower height than if you're a professional contractor who needs to reach a bit higher. Yvan offers a maximum height of 12.5 feet, which is great for daily household chores or hobbies like changing bulbs, painting the walls, cleaning the windows, climbing a tree, and so on. Similarly, whether you need a small boost or some serious height, the Ohuhu ladder will get the job done. The high-quality extension mechanism allows you to adjust the height quickly and effortlessly up to 12.5 feet, just like the Yvan. If you're done for the day, just press the two thumb buttons and the ladder will retract smoothly. Though they possess similarities in this category, we have to point out that Yvan isn't as wide as you expect a ladder should be, so it might take some time to get used to. On the other hand, Ohuhu also requires a bit more effort to use, and the steps become unleveled when placed against a wall. These drawbacks leave us head-scratching, but we have to go with Yvan because in terms of safety, we believe that narrower steps are better than unleveled ones. The fifth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their safety. Your safety is important when it comes to choosing products like ladders. An ideal ladder should be stable enough to hold your weight without slipping or swaying while you're working. The Yvan Telescoping Ladder features an intelligent locking mechanism that gives you extra safety and security while also using it. Moreover, the collapsible ladder uses slow and smooth sliding of the steps to prevent any injuries to the fingers. On the flip side, the Ohuhu Telescoping Ladder also has intelligent locking pins which hold the sections in place and prevent sliding when it's retracting. Additionally, it's fitted with a non-slip cap that ensures the ladder doesn't sway or slip when it's in use. Clearly, Yvan and Ohuhu have done their parts in ensuring the safety of their users. However, Ohuhu dominates over Yvan with its non-slip cap and wider steps, which help in maintaining balance. That said, Ohuhu finally takes home the crown in this category and puts an end to Yvan's winning streak. After all that's been said, even though Yvan and Ohuhu are almost exactly the same in all aspects, they both have their own edges and shortcomings. In this neck-and-neck battle between the two telescoping ladder brands, Yvan has established itself, succeeded in many categories, and became the straight-out champ. With a score of 4-2, Yvan raced ahead of the competition. But don't count out Ohuhu Telescoping Ladder just yet. Even though it took a loss, it's still undeniably convenient and reliable, which is why it remains one of the best in the market. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Yvan Telescoping Ladder and the Ohuhu Telescoping Ladder has finally ended. If you have any contenders for a next telescoping ladder face-off, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.